If you're a high handicap golfer, you don't need another iron that looks great on paper and then disappears the moment you miss the center. You need an iron that makes your average strike playable. The kind of club that launches the ball, keeps ball speed when you catch it a little thin or a little heavy, and tightens your dispersion so you're not living in the trees and bunkers all day. Here are the 5 best golf irons of 2026 for high handicap golfers, built around the things that actually lower scores: forgiveness, distance you can repeat, and dispersion you can trust. The 5 irons on this list are the TaylorMade Chi, the Ping G430, the Callaway Elite, the Mizuno JPX 925 Hot Metal, and the Srixon Zek i4. And if you want to check out any of these irons, I've put links in the description so you can see current pricing and availability. Before we get into the list, here's the one thing most people miss. In this category, lofts are strong, faces are springy, and ball speed is easy to find. The real separator is what happens on imperfect contact. If your strike pattern isn't consistent, the best iron is the one that keeps your misses in the game while still giving you a flight you can control and a distance you can predict. Let's start with the TaylorMade Chi iron. This one is the definition of easy power. If you want help launching it and you want distance without feeling like you have to swing out of your shoes, the Chi makes a strong first impression. At address, it looks like what it is: a game improvement iron with a generous footprint, a thicker top line, and a confidence-building shape. That matters for high handicappers because the club has to look friendly before you even make the swing. Performance-wise, the Chi is built to produce speed. It tends to deliver strong ball speed and strong carry, and it does a good job keeping distance on low-face strikes, which is one of the most common miss patterns in this handicap range. When you catch one A groove or too low, you'll usually see some drop-off, but it's rarely a disaster. The ball still wants to get out there, and that's exactly why so many high handicappers gravitate to this kind of iron. The trade-off is feel and spin. Compared to some of the others here, the Chi can feel a bit more hollow at impact, and the spin can run lower. For golfers who already struggle with low launch or who need more stopping power into greens, that's worth paying attention to. But if your bigger problem is coming up short or losing distance consistency, the Chi is a very strong answer. Think of it as the distance and forgiveness first iron, with a hot, lively face that's designed to help your miss still carry. Next up is the Srixon Zek i4. This is the iron for the high handicap golfer who wants help, but doesn't want a club that feels like a shovel. The Zek i4 looks more premium than a lot of game improvement models, and at address it gives you a nice blend. Enough top line and footprint to inspire confidence, but not so bulky that it feels oversized. If you like the idea of forgiveness but still care about a cleaner, more refined look, Srixon does a great job here. Where the ZX i4 really stands out is feel. In this category, feel is not the number one priority, but it still matters because feel influences confidence, and confidence influences swing quality. The ZX4 tends to feel softer and more solid through the strike than many distance-focused irons. It gives you that sensation that the club is stable through impact instead of loud and hollow. From a performance standpoint, it brings a strong balance. You still get ball speed, you still get forgiveness, and you still get help on imperfect strikes, but it doesn't feel like it's only built to chase raw yardage. It's a particularly good option if you're improving. If you're practicing, taking lessons, and you expect your strike to get better over the next year or two, the ZXi4 is the type of iron you can grow into without feeling like you've outgrown it immediately. Now let's talk about the Mizuno JPX 925 Hot Metal. Mizuno has a reputation for feel, and while Hot Metal is absolutely in the game improvement family, it still delivers that solid, stable sensation at impact. The first thing you notice is how balanced it feels through the swing. It sits nicely behind the ball, it gives you a confidence-boosting profile, and it feels like it wants to do the same thing over and over, which is exactly what high handicap golfers are chasing. In terms of performance, the JPX 925 Hot Metal is strong where it matters most. It produces plenty of ball speed, it launches easily, and it tends to sit in a more playable spin window than the really low spin, distance-first options. That spin point is huge. If spin is too low, you can get big distance, but your carry can become unpredictable and your shots can release too much on the green. With the Mizuno, you're more likely to get a flight that feels controllable while still getting the help you need. It also holds up well on mishits. You'll still see some drop when you catch it low or toward the toe, but it generally stays in a safe range, which helps your front to back dispersion. For most high handicap golfers, that combination is gold. Distance you can repeat, forgiveness you can rely on, and a flight that still has enough spin to behave when it lands. That's why the JPX 925 Hot Metal is one of the strongest all-around game improvement irons in 2026. Next is the Callaway Elite Iron. If you're someone who hates the look of big, chunky irons, this is the one that will catch your eye first. It has a premium, polished look and a profile that can appear a bit more compact than you'd expect from a forgiving iron. That's the appeal, but it's also the caution. A slightly smaller look can be great for confidence if you prefer a cleaner shape, but if your strike is very inconsistent, you may want the extra visual reassurance of a larger head. The surprise with the Elite is that it's hot. Despite the sleeker look, it can produce excellent ball speed and very strong distance. It's one of those irons where you expect it to be pretty, and then it turns around and performs like a distance club. Another good sign is that it can hold onto speed reasonably well on imperfect strikes. You still need to be honest with yourself about whether the head size fits your eye, but if it does, this iron gives you a great mix of premium looks and real game improvement performance. If your goal is to find an iron that doesn't look oversized but still gives you help on speed and distance, the Callaway Elite is absolutely in the conversation for 2026. It's a strong fit for the golfer who wants forgiveness, but also wants something that looks closer to a player's shape at address. And last on this list is the Ping G430 iron. Ping tends to show up when accuracy and consistency are the priority, and the G430 continues that theme. If you care most about dispersion, this iron has a very real argument as the keep me in play option. The G430 often produces some of the tightest dispersion patterns in this category. The ball wants to start on line and stay on line, and when your miss is predictable, your scoring improves. Another strength is control. The G430 tends to produce higher spin than some of the distance-first irons, which helps with stopping power and makes your carry distances more predictable. That can be a big deal for high handicappers who struggle with shots that fly long sometimes and fall short other times. The trade-off is that it may not be the longest iron on this list. You might see slightly lower ball speed and slightly shorter carry compared to the hottest options. But if you're the type of golfer who would happily trade 5 yards for more fairways, more greens, and fewer penalty situations, the G430 makes a lot of sense. So how do you choose the right iron from these 5 in 2026? Start with your biggest pain point. If you want maximum easy distance and a very forgiving, confidence-boosting profile, the tailor-made Chi is the distance-first pick. If you want forgiveness with a noticeably more premium, solid feel, and you want an iron you can grow into as you improve, the Jirexen ZXi4 is a strong choice. If you want the best balance of speed, forgiveness, and a more controllable ball flight for the widest range of high handicap golfers, the Mizuno JPX 925 Hot Metal is the most well-rounded option on the list. If you want a premium look and surprisingly strong ball speed, and you prefer a slightly more compact shape at address, the Callaway Elite is worth a serious look. And if your priority is tighter dispersion and more stopping power, and you're okay giving up a little distance to keep the ball in play, the Ping G430 is the control pick. If I had to choose one best overall iron for most high handicap golfers in 2026, I would lean toward the Mizuno JPX 925 Hot Metal because it blends forgiveness and distance with a flight that's easier to control. But the real winner is the iron that matches your strike pattern, your speed, and your typical miss. If you want to check out any of these irons, I've put links in the description so you can compare current pricing and availability. And one last reminder, the head matters, but the fit matters too. The right shaft, the right lie angle, and the right gapping through the set can do more for your scores than chasing a logo. Get those right, and any of these 5 can be a genuine upgrade in 2026.